Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Panalo ang Boston Celtics kontra sa Charlotte Hornets 113-103. Top performer si Jason Tatum sa likod ng kanyang 29 points, 7 rebounds at 3 assists. LaMelo Ball 36 points, 4 rebounds, 6 assists at 3 steals. Tinambakan naman ng Memphis Grizzlies ang Philadelphia 76ers 124-107. Top performer si Jaren Jackson sa likod ng kanyang 27 points, 6 rebounds, 3 steals at 2 blocks. Tyrese Maxey 23 points, 2 rebounds, 6 assists at 3 steals. Panalo naman sa isang overtime ang Toronto Raptors kontra sa Sacramento Kings 131-128. Top performer si RJ Barrett sa likod ng kanyang 31 points, 9 rebounds, 6 assists at 1 steal. DeMar DeRozan 33 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists at 3 steals. Panalo din sa isang overtime ang Golden State Warriors kontra sa Houston Rockets 127-121. Top performer si Buddy Hield sa likod ng kanyang 27 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Tari Eason 27 points, 9 rebounds, 1 assist, 4 steals at 3 blocks. Dinaig naman ng Cleveland Cavaliers ang Milwaukee Bucks 114-113. Top performer si Donovan Mitchell sa likod ng kanyang 30 points, 3 rebounds at 4 assists. Damian Lillard 41 points, 4 rebounds, 9 assists at 1 block. Huwagi naman ang San Antonio Spurs kontra sa Minnesota Timberwolves 113-103. Top performer si Keldon Johnson sa likod ng kanyang 25 points, 8 rebounds at 2 steals. Anthony Edwards 21 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists at 2 steals. Tinambakan din ng Miami Heat ang Washington Wizards 118-98. Top performer si Bam Adebayo sa likod ng kanyang 32 points, 14 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Bilal Coulibaly 22 points, 8 rebounds at 2 assists. Tinambakan din ng Denver Nuggets ang Utah Jazz 129-103. Top performer si Nikola Jokic sa likod ng kanyang 27 points, 16 rebounds, 9 assists at 1 steal. Walker Kessler 18 points, 14 rebounds at 5 blocks. Tinalo naman ng Phoenix Suns ang Portland Trail Blazers 103-97. Top performer si Devin Booker sa likod ng kanyang 28 points, 9 rebounds at 9 assists. Anthony Simons 20 points, 8 rebounds, 6 assists at 2 steals. Panalo naman ang Oklahoma City Thunder kontra sa Los Angeles Clippers 105-92. Top performer si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander sa likod ng kanyang 25 points, 3 rebounds, 9 assists at 1 block. Norman Powell 24 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists at 2 steals. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Eastern Conference as of November 3, 2024. Cleveland Cavaliers 7 wins, 0 loss. Boston Celtics 6 wins, 1 loss. New York Knicks 3 wins, 2 losses. Miami Heat 3 wins, 2 losses. Chicago Bulls 3 wins, 3 losses. Orlando Magic 3 wins, 3 losses. Brooklyn Nets 3 wins, 3 losses. Washington Wizards 2 wins, 3 losses. Atlanta Hawks 2 wins, 4 losses. Indiana Pacers 2 wins, 4 losses. Charlotte Hornets 2 wins, 4 losses. Toronto Raptors 2 wins, 5 losses. Philadelphia 76ers 1 win, 4 losses. Milwaukee Bucks 1 win, 5 losses. Detroit Pistons 1 win, 5 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng Western Conference as of November 3, 2024. Oklahoma City Thunder 6 wins, 0 loss. Phoenix Suns 5 wins, 1 loss. Golden State Warriors 5 wins, 1 loss. Los Angeles Lakers 4 wins, 2 losses. Dallas Mavericks 3 wins, 2 losses. Memphis Grizzlies 4 wins, 3 losses. Sacramento Kings 3 wins, 3 losses. Denver Nuggets 3 wins, 3 losses. San Antonio Spurs 3 wins, 3 losses. New Orleans Pelicans 3 wins, 3 losses. Houston Rockets 3 wins, 3 losses. Minnesota Timberwolves 3 wins, 3 losses. Los Angeles Clippers 2 wins, 4 losses. Portland Trail Blazers 2 wins, 5 losses. Utah Jazz 0 wins, 6 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong November 4, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang Detroit Pistons at Brooklyn Nets alas 4:30 ng madaling araw. Maglalaban din ang Atlanta Hawks at New Orleans Pelicans alas 8 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang Orlando Magic at Dallas Mavericks alas 8:30 ng umaga. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.